In this video, you can schedule your synchronous learning Google Meet with me. I will show you how to create a Meet, adjust Meet settings, add the Meet links to Seesaw and the district sheet, and we will take a look at breakout rooms. This video will refer to the District Synchronous eLearning Guide. In this document, you will want to open the tabs if they are closed on the left side. The first page reviews synchronous eLearning information. Scrolling down on the left side is where you will also find parent guidance, schedules for elementary classrooms, teachers, specials, paraprofessionals, coaches, special education, EL teachers, and more. In this video, I will be using information from the 3rd grade schedule as I am a Section 2 teacher. Sections refer to how many 3rd grade classrooms are in my building. The teacher across the hall from me will be Section 1. I will be the Section 2 teacher, and the teacher next door to me will be the Section 3 teacher. If you are unsure which section you are on the schedule, you should talk to your building principal. Once you know your schedule, go over to Seesaw, make a copy, and edit the synchronous eLearning agenda template found in the district library. Type in the schedule for your classroom on the synchronous eLearning day as shown on the ECS guide. Here, I am changing the text to reflect the schedule for the 3rd grade Section 2 teacher. Next, from the waffles, select Meet or go to meet.google.com and select New Meeting. Then select Schedule in Google Calendar to open a new event with a Google Meet link attached. Add a title that includes your last name and choose the date and time of the synchronous eLearning day. For the small group reading time, look closely at the staff members your grade level is able to use for groups. Make a list of who the staff members are for your grade level, then divide them up among the different sections in your grade level. We have 3 sections, so we are dividing them up 3 different ways. I am Section 2, which is shown here as the yellow highlighted staff members. I will need to add these 3 staff members to my Meet event by typing in their names under Guests. I will then select the gear icon to go into the Meet settings under Host Controls. I can turn off share their screen, send reactions, and sending chat messages. Under Meeting Records, I can check the box to automatically start the Meet recording when I join the Google Meet. Under Guests, I need to look at my highlighted list and add those 3 guests that I added on the first screen. I just need to type the first letter of their name and click their name to add them as a co-host. In the Breakout Rooms tab, you can create the number of rooms for the number of staff members you have, leaving yourself in the main call as your breakout room. You can also rename each breakout room to the staff member's name if that will help you stay organized and keep track. Then we will need to press Save at the bottom. Please note that if you use a Dell laptop, the pop-up window defaults to being zoomed in. You can zoom out by pressing Control and the minus button on your keyboard 2 to 3 times. Now I'm going to go in and add the students who are in my class. For this video, I will just be adding names of different staff members since I don't actually have students, but you would be adding the names of your actual students. Once all students have been added, I will click on the gear icon again to open the Meet settings and go back into Breakout Rooms. Here I can see all of the students that I've added, and scrolling down, I can see the breakout rooms. I can drag the names of each student down into the boxes for each breakout room I would like them to be in. Once I have sorted all my students, I will press Save, then press Save again. I am not going to send calendar invitations to my guests, but you can if you desire to do so or if your building principal has asked you to. Now my screen will show my Google Calendar, and I will go into the date of the event. Then tap the event to open it. Under Join with Google Meet, I will need to highlight the Meet link and copy. And then we will paste it in 2 places. The first place will be back in the Seesaw agenda. First, select the blue box, tap the 3 dots, and then Link. Paste the Meet link and tap the green check. The other place you will need to paste the link is on the district link sheet back on the Synchronous eLearning Guide. Scroll up to the first tab, then scroll down to the bottom of the first page, which continues to the top of the second page. Open the district link sheet in the Synchronous practice row to open the sheet. Locate your school from the tabs at the bottom, and then next to your grade level and section, paste your link and type your name. When it's time to join the Google Meet, launch the Google Calendar. Tap Join with Google Meet, and then in the Meet, tap on the waffle icon to open the meeting tools. Select Breakout Rooms, and then tap the pencil icon to set up breakout rooms. Notice my rooms are already pre-planned and organized as I arrange them in my Google Calendar event. This will always happen if you launch the Google Meet from the Google Calendar. Scroll down to the bottom to open rooms, and all participants will be invited to join the breakout room. If a person has a yellow dot, that means that they are inactive and away from the Google Meet. When they return and join, they will be in their breakout room. When it's time to end the breakout rooms, tap Close Rooms. Confirm Close All Rooms, and a countdown from 30 seconds will begin. You can tap Close Rooms again to close rooms before the 30-second timer ends, and all participants will be returned to the main room. If you join the Google Meet via a link or meet.google.com, or you do not pre-plan which students are in each breakout room group, you can start breakout rooms within the live Google Meet. From the waffles, select Breakout Rooms, then tap Set Up Breakout Rooms. You will notice that my breakout rooms are named, however, the students are not sorted. You can use Shuffle to randomly assign students to the different rooms, or drag or type a name into the different rooms, then scroll down to open rooms. When it's time to end the Google Meet, tap the record icon to stop recording, then end the call for everyone. You can use the same Google Meet for future synchronous days by finding the prior event in your Google Calendar. Tap to open the event details, and then select the pencil icon to adjust the dates. All the settings will remain, including host controls, guests, and breakout rooms. Check out the other videos in our Synchronous e-learning series to help you teach with confidence, keep students engaged, and to make every virtual lesson count. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more educator-friendly content.